take a couple pictures of the car
Yeah, go for it.
for my company and stuff, yeah.
Yeah, well, all this is from getting fucking tucked by that other semi. He love tapped us. That ain't shit back there.
Yeah, but he's still gotta take pictures.
Julie.
Today is the 14th.
Is it 5?
4/14.
Yeah, when I seen you guys shoot off to the side, I'm like, oh, I hope they're not going completely under that trailer.
Yeah, we got really lucky. Yeah, we got real lucky.
I had it all locked up and everything.
It was.
Ah!
I know.
I knew it wasn't your fault.
No. Hey, I need you to hold on to these. My ID here.
For a moment. Well, I'm glad.